At 22, it feels like you're finally starting your financial life. But by 25, a quiet pattern begins to form, one that's hard to see and even harder to escape. Not because of income, but because of how debt slowly reshapes behavior. What starts as manageable often becomes something that controls future choices. Picture a young professional in a typical US or UK city. They earn a decent salary, rent, groceries, transport, all expected. Then come the small extras, a credit card, a phone upgrade, a few pay-later purchases. Nothing feels excessive. It feels normal. But over time, something shifts. Minimum payments become routine. Savings get delayed. Decisions become reactive. The real issue isn't just debt. It's how it changes your thinking, from controlling money to constantly owing it. First things is the lifestyle drift trap. What is it? The lifestyle drift trap is when your spending quietly rises with your income, often through easy credit. Why does it happen? Because convenience removes friction, and expectations rise faster than income. In the US and UK, this often shows up as credit card reliance, not from necessity, but habit. But here's what most people miss. When spending grows faster than income, debt fills the gap. How do you fix it? Create friction, limit active credit lines, set a lifestyle ceiling, a spending level that doesn't rise automatically, and question default habits. This isn't restriction, it's control. Second thing to understand is the minimum payment illusion. What is it? The minimum payment illusion is the belief that staying current on debt means you're financially stable. Why does it happen? Because minimum payments feel manageable, but they extend repayment for years. In many systems, paying only the minimum keeps you stuck. This is where it gets uncomfortable. You can be on track and still be moving backward, because interest compounds quietly. How do you fix it? Change the question. Don't ask, "Can I afford this monthly?" Ask, "How long will I be paying for this?" Pay above the minimum, even slightly. Focus on high-interest debt first. Show close-up of a credit card statement with interest highlighted. Debt is not just about today. It's about how long it follows you. Consider James, 27, living in Manchester. He earns $32,000 a year. His expenses are typical, but he carries $3,500 in credit card debt. He pays around $120 monthly, close to the minimum. On paper, everything looks fine, but he delays saving, avoids investing, feels pressure when unexpected costs come up. He's not irresponsible. He's just stuck in a system designed for short-term ease. What you can do instead. First, create a debt visibility system. List every debt, interest rate, and timeline. Second, use a future cost filter. Before new debt, ask, will this still matter when I'm still paying for it? Third, build a simple paydown plan. Focus on high-interest debt. Pay more than the minimum whenever possible. Small changes, but they shift control back to you. Debt doesn't feel dangerous at the start. It feels easy, flexible, normal, but over time it shapes your choices. The pattern begins quietly, and it doesn't break through income alone. It breaks through awareness and small, consistent action. Because managing debt isn't about perfection. It's about staying in control of your future. If you want to understand how money actually works, beyond habits that quietly hold people back, subscribe to VaultWise Daily. Each week, we break down money, behavior, and financial decisions in simple, practical ways. Start thinking differently about money, and your results will follow.